Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about how to create workspaces in Power BI report services. Okay, when you log in your Power BI report services and next go to workspaces and see this here. Create a new app workspace. Okay, let's click this. Create a new app workspace. I type here your workspace name. I am typing my workspace name Lakshmi skills. Okay, see this here. Now available this workspace id. When you click this save, see this, it's automatically saving my workspace Lakshmi skills. See this here. Okay, it's automatically created a new workspace in my Power BI. Now created a my Power BI report services workspace Lakshmi skills. Welcome to the Lakshmi skills workspace. Okay, this is a workspace creating in Power BI services.